Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing with your best friend Scott. So today we're checking out these adult diving goggles. Let's go ahead and show you guys what they look like and what's inside the box. Alright, so they give you a little user manual, and here we go. Alright, so first off, they have it's like a rubber band around. It's fully adjustable by the looks of it. Yeah, so it's got a spot for your nose, which is soft silicone. Actually look like they're pretty good goggles. So of course we got to test it out. Now we do have a hat on here. So you just put them on.
Hello.
So you definitely don't want to blow out with your nose because they steam up very quickly. So they're not anti-fog, so you're just going to want to blow from your mouth, which is, what you would typically do. Man, I never can say that word. So guys, adjusting the strap looks pretty simple. You just pull and then you slide that back in place. So it's actually really easy to adjust. And then you slide the black piece down in the front. So simple to adjust. It's tempered glass on the front, it says. It's a nice looking pair of goggles.